Okay. 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 The first question is, what are your impressions about Fangyuan town and this in Changhua? Because I think Changhua is different from Taipei.
Yes.
So it's many difference. So
yes.
What's your impression?
My first impression was that comparing to Taipei, it was there are a lot less people there, because in my area when I was living in Taipei, there was a lot of people everywhere, and a lot of cars and motorcycles, and for example, I remember I was a little bit scared of using my bike. And when I was in Taipei, because there was a lot of cars and I was a little bit afraid. So one thing that impressed me the most was I can just use my bike freely around the town, and I can explore because there are not too much people, and for me that is good. And yeah, also is. I can say is more. I think I really like the countryside of Taiwan. I remember I was working there before as a volunteer, and I like because in the city you cannot appreciate like the landscape of Taiwan.
Yeah.
For example, if you go to the mountain area, it's really beautiful, and I think I like this kind of stuff. So when you are in the city, it's not too clear to see these kind of things. And also in center of Taiwan, I think Taichung, Changhua area, I already visit some places, and I can say there are so many things that I like it, like there are some attractions that I really enjoy, and yeah.
So have you meet some stranger or someone you don't know, but he or she asks you, where are you from?
Yeah. I can say that every time that I go out with Cici, for example, I feel like a celebrity, because it's like, for example, yesterday we went to the supermarket, and the cashier she just started taking our stuff, and then she looked at us and asked, where are you from? Are you living here? Do you live here, or do you live in another township? And we say, yeah, we're from Fangyuan. And they say, oh, so you're working here, and how? It was like asking me if I know Chinese, where am I from, or and I say, yeah, I'm from Paraguay, and she was like, wow, too far.
Because Taiwanese they always some curious, maybe they always want to know, why the foreigner is here. So they will ask many questions.
Yeah, and they treat me too well. For example, when I go to the night market, also they ask me a lot of questions, and if I reply to them in Chinese, they are like, wow, you know Chinese, and like, yeah.
I can know the number, so so you have to count the correct number.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, okay. So there are no mountain and sea and ocean in your hometown. There are any mountain or ocean?
In my hometown in Paraguay. Oh, no, really. I live too close to the capital, so it's like nearby the city. So yeah, I already got used to it. So every time that I go like a mountain area or like a riverside or yeah, something like that, I really enjoy it, because it's not common to me to watch this kind of
So,
this kind of
so
stuff.
several building or
Mostly buildings.
Building.
Yes,
Oh.
yes.
Okay. 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 The next one is about the work part. Okay.
Okay.
Some question about the work part. The next one is your current internship is the quality control QC department.
Yes.
But which department were you interested in the beginning? In the beginning, which one do you want to? Which?
Okay.
Which-
I remember when the Asylum team went to my college to present the company.
Yeah.
And I remember when I saw the quality control department, it was my first option. I say, if I am gonna apply for this company, I want to be in the quality control section.
Yeah.
Because when I was in college, one of my most favorite subjects was statistics and quality control. So I really enjoyed these two subjects, and I thought that in the real world application it would be more like implementing. So it would also depend on which kind of products the company produces. Like, for example, the quality control here may be different if for a food factory or something similar. There are different processes, but the concept is the same. They are looking always the best requirement for the final product to meet all the requirements from the customer, and the process that they use to achieve that, I think, is really good, and I was really interested to know how they do it, how is the process, and it was my first option. I remember.
Okay. So now, how do you feel about the work environment now?
I think it's good. I think at first I have any idea about the textile and the textile manufacturing. So I didn't know that to produce yarn, it will make so much process and so much things you need to consider, like the physical, chemical, and a lot of process that I never thought this product will lead to. So I think it's really interesting to know, because one simple product may look easy to make, but the process behind it is too much, isn't it? So I think that is pretty interesting.
Yeah, so because we teach you too many knowledge in the past two months.
Yes.
Because because we want to know, let you know everything rapid, but I'm not sure it is the. I'm not sure the arrangement is good or not or bad, but how do you
I think it's good because I at that time I was working full time, so I can spend my whole time learning and just learning a lot about the different products. So at the end, I can apply my knowledge in different sections. Like, for example, now that I am working with the physical testing, for example, like I am applying what I learned before. So I think that's pretty good.
Yes. But I know your thoughts, because when I'm new here, in fact I'm not studying my university. I'm not studying about the engineer, and I'm studying the business management. So it's just not it just so I everything I don't know. So but I study from zero to now. So I think it's. So when I'm new here, I'm also feel some weird. What is this? What is this? So,
it was like a new word for me to say. It's also my first experience working. So I can say when I was new also, it was like wow, too much information. I need to process everything, but now at the end, when I can see how they do it, and when I also can do it by myself, I think is a good way to know that I learned it and now I understand it. Yeah.
And how about the co-workers or the work environment?
I think one of the best things about this company was the people that I met here, because at first I was a little bit scared because maybe I won't feel comfortable. I thought that I won't feel comfortable because I am too young and all the people not too young. But at the end, and also because I'm foreigner, I was a little bit afraid that the people just don't want to talk to me too much or something, because I'm just foreigner and I don't know too much Chinese. But I like my coworkers in the QC lab. They are now like my aunties. They are I can say they are my 姐姐. Because they treat me so well, and not just working. They also help me a lot about the what to do here in Erling, or if I need something, they help me a lot. They always worry about me and if I am okay, if I'm eating good, if I am. They ask me a lot of things about my family and my life in Paraguay and also in Taiwan. So yeah, I can say they are really friendly, they are really kind, and they worry about me a lot, and I appreciate so much that
Okay, thank you.
They are really nice.
Okay, and do you have any suggestion or idea about our companies that we can get better or improve? Improve which part?
I think I can say the working process now, as I know, is pretty much good, but we know that every day the technology is improving and the world is changing. So maybe there are some the small process that they can try to be automated in the future, like to reduce the manual work, for example, like the data recording, for example. It can be try to just do it all by computer and maybe like with a program to do that or something similar, so they don't have to write down and then submit it to the system again. Maybe that would be a good idea to make the process a little bit faster. And yeah, so maybe try to reduce the manual work in some aspects would be good. But overall, I think the process was pretty much fair.
Sometimes we write down and type in computer, so we do this work twice. So I think maybe.
So if it can be just once, it will be better. It will be faster at the end.
Yes. Okay. So how about the work environment? Work environment, we have to improve about the work environment.
Oh, you mean like the
maybe some maybe it's dirty, or maybe it's old, or maybe this building.
I think it's pretty much fair. Every as always, if it is safe for everyone, I think it will be good. So for me, that's the priority. I can say if there are some stuff that can be dangerous to, for example, there are too much stuff and you cannot walk in because it's dangerous or something, that would be a problem. But I didn't see something except of the forklifts, but overall, I think it's pretty much good.
Because some area maybe maybe this place they are the lift they will drive from the but human you can walk you can also walk, so maybe they will hit by some accident. Maybe.
It will be dangerous, but
okay. Okay. If you could bring one thing or one experience back to Paraguay to share with your friends, what it will be?
wow. About working or in general?
Okay, you can answer me from two parts.
Okay. For the working would be like I think it's really important to have someone who can give you a training when you are starting to work, because sometimes in the real world this doesn't happen. It's like you get hired, you start working, but no one teaches you. They just give you what to do, but you don't understand why, you don't understand how or something. You just need to do. And I think when you are interested in what you are doing, I think the training is important, because you have to first learn, for example, this process is to do something, why they need to do this, and how do they do this, and why they decide to do this process or something. There are some questions that I always make when I am learning something. So I think in the training this was really important, because all my questions were answered, and yeah, I think that is really important. And maybe not working experience would be like, as I said before, at first I was a little bit scared that I am too young for the people and I cannot connect to them, but at the end, you can always try to.
You had answer the several.
You can also be friends with people that they are not
so
your age.
You think the training, so you want to know why to do this maybe the experiment, or maybe why we do this thing, why everything is okay.
I think there are some these kind of questions I always make when I am learning something, because I just don't want to know how to do it. I just also want to know why to do it.
Okay.
So these can only be answered by training, and that's why I think training is pretty important.
Because some experiments or some data we test, maybe they just want to record and prevent from the if any problem or any customer they complain to us, and we can show them this data, so to prove it's okay, but maybe we can know, okay, or maybe some data is not good, so we can know maybe this experiment has to change. Maybe that's right. So I think it's just the prevent or just want to know the current manufacturing situation.
That's right.
But why? So why we test the OPU? So if OPU can affect which one? Maybe the OPU maybe is higher, so maybe it's lower, but it will occur which one? Maybe.
That's
so
right.
maybe or maybe the strength
Yeah.
is higher or lower, it can become
Yeah,
weak, right?
yeah.
Okay.
So this gives you a better
Ah.
understanding of what you're doing. So
Ah.
it's not just doing the work; it's just
Yeah.
understanding why
you,
you're doing
you
it.
understand why we take we control the young in the range, but no, you don't know why if we over the range, it will become it will occur some which problem we don't know.
Something like that.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. What hobbies or activities do you enjoy in your free time?
Oh, Cici and I become really close now because every time that we are free together. So we really like to watch movies and also we like to hang out like riding the bike around the township, and also we start going to the gym, and yeah, there are some activities that we like to do.
Yes, I asked the Jose and Leandro, and they also go to the gym. So you go together.
We start to go to the gym.
Okay. Okay. How about the food?
The food.
Yeah.
Oh. In my case, I am really special about the food. It's like how can I say? It's like, do you understand what picky eater is? It's like picky eater. It's like when you don't like too much.
I know.
Or too many kind of food. Yeah. And that's me. So
maybe too much.
So at first it was difficult, but when I came to Taiwan, it was difficult at first. But then I just got used to it, and I got used to it. There was already 2 months, so yeah.
Because Jose, he also tell me this problem. So when sometimes we prepare the box, the lunch box or the dinner box, maybe some parts he don't like. It's
Like
weird.
there are some vegetables that I never knew in my life. I never tried in my life or something, or that I tried it once and maybe I didn't like it or something.
So if anything you don't like, maybe all of you don't like that one. Maybe you can take the picture and tell Jiawei about this. Maybe we can tell the shop maybe we don't put this one in. So maybe we can take the picture because I think it's we can tell you can tell us. Yeah.
Okay. I will tell them.
Okay. Okay. And so how about the arrangement about the internship?
Like
how do because and now I had you to write the.
Oh yes.
Yes, and so so how about because you want to know about the how to operate the machine and how to check the physical test and the POY. Which one is defect and which one? Okay, so how about the DTY? How do you feel about the DTY in the DIY parts? DIY.
I think the two materials are they have different kind of testing and process, and actually I am interested in both of them, but I was just really curious about the physical test performing that they do in the second floor. So yeah, that's why. But I am interested in both of them, like both POY and DTY. And yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
But
I think I learned faster about the DTY part. Yeah, a little bit. I think it was a little bit easier for me to understand the process, but implementing is a little bit hard for me, especially the color deviation and the dyeing sock. But
and we will buy a new machine and the color for the color deviation. And maybe September 10th. After September 10th. So maybe the next time we go to the DTY, the floor one, maybe we can try this machine. Maybe it's easy for you. Maybe
that's right.
And also, and because now the arrangements you help the engine how to operate the machine. So which one do you think you have to try? You want to try. Which part? Want to try more.
It might be, for example, something that I don't implement too much. It was like all the chemical testing or something like that. Yeah, I got a really good overview, but I never try it by myself. Like, for example, I am trying the physical test now. So yeah,
so you really
I think the chemical test was the most difficult part for me.
Yeah, because the chemical there. Chemical test. And what's the quality? Because when they check the appearance outside, they check the appearance. Do you want to know?
That would be also good.
Okay.
Okay,
when if we when the woman is more patient. But it's more if we arrange the yesterday the operator he's more patient, so we can maybe you can try to go beside her and to let her to teach you and because today because the apparatus today she's not patient, so we don't arrange you to go with her. So maybe next time, maybe tomorrow or next week.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, it's alright. Oh.